Hey everyone! In this short video, I want to show you a Lora called Edit Anything Global that can help you edit videos with LTX 2.3. This Lora can help you add objects, replace objects, or even remove objects, so let's get started. The download link for this Lora is available in the description. Once you open the link, you will see a page like this. The Lora we will be using is this one, LTX 2.3 Edit, Anything Global Rank 128v1 9000 steps Adam W. There are also some recommended prompt structures to use with the Lora, which can be found on this page. Here is a prompt structure example for adding objects, and another for removing objects. Well, from my experiments, the Lora is not very good at removing objects. There is also another prompt for replacing objects, as well as one for transforming videos into various art styles. Now, regarding downloading the Lora, let's scroll up and click on Files and Versions. Here is the Lora that I will be using, LTX 2.3 Edit Anything Global, Rank 128v1 9000 steps Adamo. Use the download button to get the Lora and place it inside the Lora's folder of ComfyUI. Now, let's switch over to ComfyUI. So, I have already set up a workflow here, which you can download from the description. As always, this workflow has some similarities with my other LTX 2.3 workflows, so let's focus only on the major differences. I am using the Load Lora node to load the Edit Anything Global Lora. This node goes between the Load Diffusion Model node and the CFG Guider node. I will be using the distilled model, even though the developer of the Lora recommends using the dev model. The dev model is pretty slow on my computer, but you can certainly try the Lora with it if you like. Also, in this workflow, I have added both Gemma and Qwen 3.54b for enhancing the prompt. Sometimes Qwen 3.5 prompts are better than Gemma, and sometimes Gemma is better. Here is a switch for toggling between Qwen 3.54b and Gemma. Just turn the switch to true to use Gemma. Additionally, if you don't want to use the prompt enhancement feature at all, just turn the enhance prompt switch to false. Then we have the string multiline node for writing positive prompts, followed by the load video upload node for loading videos. Here's what I'm going to do with the video. I'm going to put a baseball hat on her head. Let's type the prompt, add a baseball hat to the woman's head. Also, we will be using the prompt enhancing feature as well. To send the video to the model, we will use the Add Video IC Lora Guide node, or you can also use LTXV Add Guide Advanced node. Now, let's run the workflow and see the result. Here is the result. As you can see, she now has a hat on her head. There are some minor problems with the particles falling down, but I love how the hat is sitting on her head. It's nicely blended into the scene. Now, let's try replacing her top with another t-shirt. Replace the woman's cloth with a blue t-shirt. Now, let's run the workflow. It's completed, so let's take a look. As you can see, her top has been replaced with a blue t-shirt. Just like the last result, the model did a pretty good job. I should mention that the Edit Anything Loras are not perfect. They do struggle with removing objects. Sometimes it works, and sometimes it doesn't. The Lora performs much better when adding or replacing objects. It can also transform videos into anime or cartoon styles, though it cannot handle every art style perfectly. Even the developer of the Lora says that it is experimental, but despite some issues, I really love how the Lora performs. So guys, try out the Lora and the workflow and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.